The Alocs 1043 Humidifier Wick Filter offers a noticeably thicker, more absorbent paper construction that delivers steady, comfortable moisture output in dry seasons. Its dense structure and reinforcing glue strips help the filter keep its shape when wet, so it does not slump or sag inside the humidifier over time. The filter does an effective job of trapping hardness minerals from tap water, which greatly reduces the white dust that can settle on furniture and floors. It is designed to fit a wide range of Essick Air, Aircare, and Bemis Space Saver evaporative humidifiers, making it a convenient option if you own multiple compatible units. Installation is straightforward, since the wick simply drops into the existing frame once the old filter is removed and the humidifier housing is opened. With regular replacement every few months depending on water quality, this wick filter maintains strong airflow and moisture output while remaining durable through daily use.